Hey guys, it's Mark, the Mental Marketer. You want your emails to be opened and people to respond. You want your subscribers to click around and hopefully make a purchase. Other people seem to have great open rates. What about you? If you think you've got nothing to learn about emails, then this video is not for you. But if you feel you could take it up a notch, then watch this video as I break down the top 5 best practices when composing your emails. Make sure to include some of these elements in your emails so they get open, read, and you make money. Stick around to the end to see the one email that almost made the entire top 5 by itself. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. Number 1, let's get right to it. Great usage of a full screen image. In this email, this image stands out from every other email in the inbox. It attracts attention and is very well written. This email gets open, read, and gets me to click. Number 2, step-by-step instructions in the email with pictures and arrows. People love step-by-step instructions. Don't leave anything to chance. When you want your subscribers to take action, let them know the next steps to take, and even better, show them how to do the next steps. I know exactly what to do now, and this email gets open, read, and gets me to click. Number 3, animation. If this doesn't get your attention and get you to open up an email, then nothing will. This GIF is very clever. What do you call a tortilla chip that works out? A macho nacho. As soon as I open this email, my eyes go directly to the animation, and the nachos look pretty tasty. I want to place an order. This email gets opened, read, and gets me to click. Number 4, bold lettering and bold, bright, and colorful photos. This is a wonderful style for a newsletter. The bold heading grabs your attention, and the bright, colorful photos draw you into the email. These are great for linking to blog posts and other content. This email gets opened, read, and gets me to click. Number 5, email marketing is a thing of beauty when it's done right. And I've saved the best for last, and we will break this one down. This is the email. Now let's break it down frame by frame. Immediately, you see a clear call to action. As we go down, the language is laser targeted. This message speaks the specific language for the pain points experienced by the target market. We go further down and see that this is an email delivering value. The video. There are also links to the video, the podcast, and the blog. Great use of email to get views to external content. When the video link is clicked, it immediately takes you to subscribe to the video channel. Not only does this get video views, but also gets subscribers to the channel that will continue to be notified when additional videos are posted. After subscribing, the intro video plays immediately, solidifying the original branding message from the email. Now, when selecting the blog option, it takes you to the current and past blog post and an auto webinar. Very nicely done. As we go back into the email, it gets better. This is textbook, hook, story, offer, and ascend. The top half has the hook and story, which includes a nice professional photo for pre-framing and establishing credibility. Then comes the offer with a call to action and clear step-by-step actions to ascend the subscriber through additional steps of the funnel and up the value ladder. There's also ways to connect on other channels. This one email has every base covered and is a very good example of email marketing well executed. This email gets open, read, and gets me to click. Emails are one way to communicate in the sales funnel process, and sales funnels are all about communication. My recommendation is to always remember that there's a real human on the other side of your PC that will actually actually read your email and do your best to have a real conversation with them. I've taken great care to craft emails that generate engagement, open rates, and conversions. If you want my #1 tool that changed the game for me, check the comments for more info. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.